Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you a wireless microphone for less than $100 that will dramatically improve the sound of your video content, turning it from this to this. It's the FULAIM X3 wireless magnetic microphone. So let's get to it. Right now, I'm just riding around on my bike around Lake Merritt here in Oakland, and I just want to share with you a few of my favorite features. The first one is that it is literally plug and play. This wireless microphone is so easy to use. You literally just open it up and insert the receiver into the input of either your phone, tablet, or computer, and it automatically immediately detects the microphone. And it comes with two pairs, so in case you're doing a vlog style with somebody else, you both can be mic'd up simultaneously. And it also has a meter on the receiver that's plugged into your device, letting you know how much more power you have left. Otherwise, it's just that simple. There's no need to connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's simply plug and play. Another cool feature about the FULAIM X3 is that it comes with a charging case. When you open it up, you immediately have the USB-C receiver, as well as the lightning jack for your old school iPhone users, which I'm actually using right now, my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And then outside of that, it's USB-C charge right here. So it's very easy to charge up and ready to go. I believe you could charge these probably about good 3 times before needing to charge the entire case altogether. Now, here's something cool about the microphone itself. First of all, it's super small. As you can see right there, it's a very, very small microphone, probably the size of a quarter, quite honestly. And look, aside from it coming with a clip, which you can see right here, see the clip right there? Comes with a clip, but you could actually detach this clip, and now, as you can see on the back, it's a magnet right there. So you have both a clip option and a magnet option, and it comes off, which I really like. So you can get really creative with how you place this microphone. You can either just hold it or have it like I'm using it right now as a microphone magnetically attached to my hoodie right here. Now, when you go to order this, there are 3 different models of the X3 wireless microphone. First of all, the one that I'm using that's been featured in this video is the X3 combo kit. That's the one that comes with a lightning jack receiver, a USB-C receiver, as well as the 2 microphones. You can get individual packages as well. That's the other 2. One is just a lightning port, or one is just a USB-C. They both are at a cheaper rate. It's about a $20 difference. I got the combo kit because you never know what device you may be needing at a time. I want to be able to be ready to go when using these microphones. Now, throughout this video, I've been using the FULAIM X3 microphone here on a windy day at Lake Merritt in California, and I mean, it's been windy. Let me know what you think about the sound quality of these microphones down below. One of the very best features that cannot be denied is the price point. Even at its full price of $99 for the combo kit for the X3 FULAIM microphones, it cannot be beat. And what I'm getting out of these, I'm actually very, very impressed. I've actually recorded a couple of pieces of content earlier this week using these microphones, but I wanted to put out this review first to get all of your opinions. Currently, right now on their website, they're offering 20% off. That's right, from $99, it's only $79 for the combo kit. And I've been told that during the holidays, it's gonna drop even further. So you definitely don't wanna miss that out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description section for you to check out the FULAIM X3 wireless microphone for yourself. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, of course, post them down below. And if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, to subscribe, and you already know, hit that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.